I'm Charles Shen, partner of Shanghai Shanghai law firm. Today, I would like to talk about the latest amendment of China criminal law. The Standing Committee of the National People's Congress of China adopted the 48 Article Amendment 11 to China Criminal Code on December 26, 2020, and the amendment took effect on March 1st, 2021. The new amendment makes changes to multiple areas under the criminal code, including public safety, food and drug safety, financial order, trade secrets protection, and public health, by adding new crimes and adjusting penalties for existing ones. It also changes one of the general provisions under the criminal code to lower the age of criminal responsibility for certain crimes. China Criminal Code was first passed in 1979 and comprehensive and substantially revised in 1997. Since then, the Standing Committee of NPC had adopted 10 amendments to the Criminal Code. Amendment 8, passed in 2011, contains 50 articles, and Amendment 9 of 2015 has 52 articles, while Amendment 10 of 2017 had only 1 article. Highlights of Amendment 11: Age of criminal responsibility. Before Amendment 11, China Criminal Code stipulated that a person must have reached the age of 16 when committing a crime in order to bear criminal responsibility. Those between 14 and 16 bear criminal responsibility if they commit certain crimes, such as intentional homicide, intentional assault causing serious injury or death, rape, robbery, drug trafficking, arson, explosion, or poisoning. China Criminal Code Article 17. Under amended Article 17 of China Criminal Code, those between 12 and 14 can now be prosecuted if they commit the crimes of intentional homicide or intentional assault that causes death, or by especially cruel means causes serious injury or disability, and if the Supreme Prosecutor approves the prosecution. Amendment 11, Article 1. Trade secrets, misappropriation, and commercial espionage. Article 219 of the Criminal Code on trade secret protection is revised to enumerate fraud and electronic intrusion and additional means of trade secrets misappropriation. The standards for sentencing the crime of trade secret misappropriation are changed from causing great loss and causing especially serious consequences to having serious circumstances and having especially serious circumstances. The amendment also increases the maximum penalty for trade secrets misappropriation from 7 years to 10 years in prison if the circumstances are especially serious. Amendment 11 Article 22. A new Article 219A on the crime of commercial espionage is added to the Criminal Code. This article subjects a perpetrator of trade secrets misappropriation that benefits an overseas entity or individual to harsher punishment than if the misappropriation was to benefit a domestic entity. Article 219A reads, however, steals, detects, buys, or illegally provides business secrets for any foreign agency, organization, or person shall be sentenced to a fixed term imprisonment of not more than 5 years and shall only be fined. Or if the circumstances are serious, such a person shall be sentenced to a fixed term imprisonment of not less than 5 years and shall also be fined. According to this article, if the defendant's action was to benefit an overseas entity or individuals, the sentence would be a fixed term imprisonment of not less than 5 years and a fine. If the circumstances are serious, with exceptions, fixed term imprisonment under China Criminal Code ranges from 6 months to 15 years when guilty of a single offense. China Criminal Code, Article 45. Crime of implanting gene-edited embryos into humans. The amendment adds a new Article 336A to the Criminal Code, creating a new crime of implanting gene-edited or cloned human embryos into human of animal bodies, or implanting gene-edited or cloned animal embryos into human bodies. The sentence is up to 7 years in prison and a fine if the circumstances are especially serious. Amendment 11, Article 39. This article appears to be in response to the gene-edited babies incident in 2018, in which a scientist edited genes of human embryos and implanted embryos in the mother who gave birth to twin girls. The scientist was sentenced to 3 years in prison for the crime of illegal medical practices in 2019, when China Criminal Code lacked specific provisions to punish such conduct. Thank you. Thank you for watching.